I see there is a lot of black people that is now trying to chase the white man also from South Africa. I always knew you were stupid, but that stupid I never knew. The white man is the only guy or race that is keeping this country alive. If you chase the white people from South Africa, I can promise you now, you're not going to be like Zimbabwe. You're going to be worse than Zimbabwe. Don't be stupid. Don't listen to the stupid fools that want to chase away everyone. I think maybe it's time for the Malawian, the white man, the Zimbabwean, all these innocent people you want to chase. Maybe we must take hands and we must chase you back to the sea. Because you think this country belongs to you. It doesn't belong to you, my brother or sister. This country, it belongs to everyone that stays in South Africa, that's making South Africa a better place. You making South Africa a worse place. We must chase you. You must go to the sea. Because all you can do is march. It's all you can do is march. I'm not happy. I'm gonna march. I'm gonna toy. But you don't know how to work. You don't know how to make things better. You don't know how to build. You know how to break down. That's all you know. Want to break down. Every time you see somebody is doing things better than you, you chase them away. Because you know there's people that's working in South Africa from other countries is doing the work much better than you guys can. Because all you want to do is you want to sleep with the woman, you want to drink, you want to steal, you want to break, you don't want to build stuff. Maybe it's time to go look in the mirror and say, hey, Baba, get your wake up. It's time for us to start building places. It's time for us to work. It's time for us to take hands with people that want to do better. And let's build this country and not break it, because that's all you want to do. You want to destroy stuff. So yeah, chase away the white people. Chase us away. Yeah. It's chasing away the goose that's laying the golden egg. I don't know if you understand if I say that. Maybe you're too stupid.
As we all know, Mangoma South Africans, for example, like anasapota EFF kamalema, vanoti aiwa, varungu vanofana kuenda, varungu vanofana kurapa pasi, reason being anzi varungu vanotya mari dzese, vanoexpecta ma-resources and stuff like that. And you don't understand a viewpoint yavo, because mungada like for example, like macompanies akawanda anenge anatsotora mari chaizvo anenge achiownwa nema-whites, or maybe ma-neighborhoods anopisa nedzimba dzakanaka, zvese zvinoonwa nema-whites and stuff like that. But however, chinhu chisingadzwisana akawanda ndechekuti macompanies akawanda aya ari kuita kuti economy yeSouth Africa irambe ichinyatsorana zviri smooth. Akanzi zvone ma-whites abuda like muSouth Africa imomo, those companies anosara achidonha. Why? Because ama-blacks akawanda kuSouth Africa like havana mindset yekuzonatsogona kuvara namabusinesses yayo. Like tongopa example yeZimbabwe, kuti pakangobuda varungu muno chete, mamwe macompanies ainyatsoparata on a global scale, kana ainyatsosupply like contributor much to the GDP, akabva asara achidonha nenyaya yekuti kungoenda kwangoita varungu chete, ma-blacks akatadza kuita take over, vakatadza kuzocontinue pakasiyirwa nema-whites ipapo. Even like katasa like ma-farms like for example, varungu pavangonzi vaenda chete, ma-farms akabva atanga kudeteriorata, kudai so ma-blacks pakaita take over ndobva atanga kuvandalize machinery, vachitengesa vachiita sese. And right now ma-farms akawanda ango idle, simply because like ma-blacks akawanda niko asina like the mindset yekuti vakwanise kuzorana those farms kana kuti ma-companies and stuff like that. So ndo scenario inogona kuitika South Africa kuti yes, of course they can chase away ma-white people, but they should also know kuti vangoatendanisa chete they can be in a position dzakazoita Zimbabwe kuti ma-companies akabva tongotanga ngovhara, because mablacks anenge asina capacity nemindset yekukwanisa kuzorana zvinhu izvozvo.